Good evening, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, so welcome back to All-in-One Program Zoom meeting by English Lab Indonesia. And for today, we are in speaking session. Jadi teman-teman, selamat datang kembali di All-in-One Program Zoom meeting dari English Lab Indonesia. Dan malam ini kita ada di sesi speaking atau sesi berbicara. How are you today, guys? I'm good. How about you? You are good?
I'm
So,
good, Miss.
how about others?
I'm fine, Miss.
You are fine, okay. Okay, so for this speaking session, I would I will give you a theme or topic for this speaking tonight that is still related to our weekly topic. It is environment. Okay, and then you will have 10 minutes to prepare your answer or your opinion. And then after the 10 minutes up, you can raise your hand if you want to deliver your answer or maybe your opinion. And while the 10 minutes is going on, you cannot raise your hand. Okay, so let's make it fair for others too. And then while you preparing your answer or your opinion, you can use your online dictionary tools, you can use your online translation tools, and you can also use your vocabulary bank from our reading and also our listening session. But remember, if you use your translation tools, please just use it to help you to find the word that you don't know the meaning. So do not translate all of your answer or maybe your opinion there, okay? And before we start this speaking session, I would like to remind you again, guys, about our class rules. So we have two rules in this Zoom meeting. The first one is I hope you guys can use your own real name as the display name, so it will make us easier to know each other, and it will make me easy to call you, especially for this speaking session. I will call only for the participant who already renamed their display. Okay. And then for the second rule is I hope you guys can keep mute your microphone if there's nothing you want to say in this Zoom meeting. But if you want to say something or if you want to ask something, you can raise your hand first and then I will let you unmute your microphone. Okay? Okay, sorry. So, is it good enough for the instruction? Or maybe you have a question? You can respond me on meeting chat. Enough? Okay, so if it is enough, we will see what is our topic for speaking today. Okay, so this is our speaking prompt. What do you consider to be the most serious environmental issues in the world today? Jadi apa yang kamu pertimbangkan menjadi masalah paling serius, menjadi masalah lingkungan paling serius di dunia hari ini atau saat ini? Oke, jadi ini adalah speaking prompt kita hari ini, teman-teman. Teman-teman bisa coba mungkin search terlebih dahulu saat ini apa related issues atau most serious issues, environmental issues nowadays, and then you can arrange your answer. Okay, you can mention like maybe global warming, flood, and then also forest devastation, okay, and so on. You can try to find your answer first and then you can deliver it later. Okay, so are you ready, guys? Jadi apakah teman-teman sudah siap? Environmental issues, okay? Ya, jadi permasalahan lingkungan. Okay, so if it is good enough, so we will be back in 10 minutes, okay? raise your hand. Okay, finish. Now you can start to raise your hand if you want to deliver your answer or your opinion. Okay, for you guys who already answer on meeting chat, you can raise your hand and you can deliver it through speaking, okay? So I will start with Mr. Muhammad Ilham. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Miss.
Okay, good evening, Mr. Ilham. Okay, so what is the things that you consider to be a serious problem and environmental issues nowadays?
Okay, Miss, I tried.
Okay,
I think global warming because
global warming. Okay,
global warming causes many changes in the world's weather, and then maybe the impacts are floods, forest fires, tornadoes, and so on. So we have to protect the environment by using environmentally friendly goods. Maybe save energy by using environmentally friendly energy. Enough. Thank you.
Okay, it is good. Thank you, Mr. Ilham. So the main point is global warming. Yes, it is still happen nowadays, and it is become one of the most serious environmental issues nowadays. And we need to find the solution for it, and we can try the the most simple things that can minimize of the global warming. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Ilham. And then next I will call okay, I will call Miss Ripka. Hello, good evening.
Yes, good evening.
Okay, Miss Ripka, so for you, what is the most serious environmental issues nowadays?
I think pollution.
Pollution. Okay, explain.
The pollution have many types: air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. And three pollution can make our healthy problems.
Okay.
Okay, and and also can lead to environmental problems like extreme global warming and def- depletion of the ozone layer. Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, yes. So it is pollution, right, Miss Ripka? Yeah,
Yes,
so
Miss.
there's some of type of pollution like air, water, and also land pollution now, and it is from various sources as we know, including the industrial activities and also the human activities, transportation, and so on. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Ripka. And then next, I will call Miss Arum. Hello, Miss Arum. Good evening.
Hello, good
Hello,
evening,
good evening,
Miss.
Miss Arum. Okay, so Miss Arum, what is the things that you consider to be most serious environmental issues?
Okay, for me, I choose plastic pollution.
Plastic pollution. Okay.
Yeah, plastic pollution can alter habit and natural process, reducing ecosystem too, and ability to adapt to climate change. Also, plastic pollution is the big problem in this world. Especially we are live in Indonesia now. We don't have any solution for plastic. Is our the big problem too in Indonesia, and we as Indonesian people, we have to more take care of that. When we go to some place and there's nothing rubbish or trash bin, so we have to take that our trash and keep it until we find a rubbish. I think one of the solution that we can use is that, because it's come to ourselves first.
Yes, it come to ourselves first.
Yeah.
Plastic pollution. Okay, yes. It is maybe just simple things, plastic, but it can become a serious problem for our environment, for our environment, because it has a bad impact for us. Not for environment only, but also for human health too. And then
Yes.
as we know, the solution, yeah, is there any solution that you can think to reduce the use of plastic, Miss Arum?
Yes, maybe as I found in here, have a lot of Indonesian people. Some of them already have many innovation about plastic. They can like a plastic we put on the hot water and it's gone. Do you know about that, Miss?
Yes, I know about the technology, so it's not
Yes,
plastic, but
yes,
it's
it is.
organic, right?
Yes, it is. And also, when we go to Indomaret or Alfamart, sometimes, especially in Bali, they not give us plastic again. It's one of the solution that
Okay, yes. So
Indonesia gives.
we can reduce the use of plastic. Maybe
Yes,
not
use
a
a
lot
tote bag.
of technology that good in Indonesia, but we can start from ourselves. Like, yeah, do not use plastic, but bring your own paper bag or your own
Yes.
shopping bag.
Yes.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Arum.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, and then next, Miss Lila. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening, Miss Lila.
Evening, Miss.
Okay, so what is the most serious environmental issues for you nowadays?
My
Wait.
opinion is same like Miss Arum. So I think I just can say to something.
Okay. About what?
I just can add little something. It's same like Miss Arum. Plastic walls.
Plastic pollution.
Walls. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Plastic
You can
pollution.
give another
Opinion?
opinion. Yes, you can use
Okay.
your own opinion.
Okay. Thank you, Miss. Plastic pollution is the big problem in this world, like Miss.
Yes.
And we can deal with 3 points. 1, reduce. 2, reuse. 3, recycle. And the second opinion we can use from the plastic is The one is we use the plastic biodegradable.
Okay.
Second is we use don't use too much plastic, like we can use straw from bamboo or stainless. And we can use the environmental friendly materials like this, Miss.
Okay, so yes, the plastic biodegradable is one of the solution to reduce the use of plastic, especially in Indonesia, as we know that we pack something or we pack our groceries using plastic, right? But not much in Indonesia that can use that kind of technology, right? And
Mhm.
also I think for the plastic pollution,
Yep.
there's a scale of problem like ocean pollution. It's not only in the land, as we know. Maybe we just know that the land pollution of plastic, but it is also happen on ocean and also air pollution, because in ocean, million of ton of plastic found in our ocean each year, and it has become a large garbage in ocean. And then for the air pollution, microplastic, the particle from the plastic can be carried by the wind and enter the atmosphere, and then it can affect our air quality. Yes, so yeah, that is kind of problem that can caused by plastic pollution. It's good. Thank you, Miss. Okay. Okay, thank you, Miss Ellie ya tadi. And then next. Oh, udah nggak ada ya. Miss Iya. Hello, Miss Iya.
Hello, good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Iya. Okay. I know you can deliver your answer about the most serious environmental issues.
Yes,
Miss.
in my opinion, the most serious environmental issues in the world today are global warming, trash plastic jet, nuclear and pollutant.
Yes, sorry. Can you please repeat?
Okay, in my opinion, the most serious environmental issues in the world today are global warming, trash plastic bag, nuclear, pollutant, etc.
Okay, maybe you can explain one of them that become the most serious environmental issues for you.
Yeah. For example, trash plastic bag.
Yes, sorry.
Trash plastic bag. It makes I can speak English clearly.
It's okay. You can just try it slowly.
Trash plastic bag. It makes
Okay, you can continue it, Miss Iya. Yes, I can hear you that you mentioned before it is global warming and so on, right? Okay, it is good, Miss Iya, as we know that there's a lot of serious problem about the environmental issues And yeah, it's
Yeah.
like
Okay.
pollution,
Yeah.
also
Mhm.
water scarcity, biodiversity loss, and deforestation, and also climate change. Climate change can be cause global warming. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Iya. And then next, let's hear from Miss Nilsam. Hello, Miss Nilsam.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me, Miss?
I can hear you, but it's not really loud. Can you please be louder?
How about now?
Ah, it is good. Okay, Miss
Okay.
Nilsam. So now you can deliver your answer or your opinion.
My opinion is pollution, including air, water, and noise pollution, can cause health issues like cancer, heart disease, and respiratory illness. I think like
Okay.
that.
And then what is the most serious problem for you?
For me, still pollution.
Pollution. And maybe you
Yes.
can give us more longer opinion about pollution.
Because like air pollution is not good about our health because what is called uh but from carbon dioxide like that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then what can cause air pollution?
Air
Where's
pollution.
where's the research of air pollution?
Wait a second, Miss.
Okay. Beside the from our vehicle and also carbon monoxide.
Like a chemical from chemical can
From
be air pollution.
chemical.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then what is the things that we can do to reduce air pollution?
Air pollution. Like
Maybe we can give the solution, even it is only small ache from us.
maybe any idea? I confused
What do
here.
you think? Maybe you can think one of action that we can do to reduce air pollution.
Okay. Reduce quality of life.
Reduce
A quality of life.
quality of life.
Yeah.
Mengurangi kualitas hidup.
Yeah, air pollution. Impact from air pollution.
Yes, it is the things that I ask. Jadi itu adalah hal yang saya tanyakan. What is the thing that we can do to reduce air pollution? Jadi hal apa yang bisa kita lakukan untuk mengurangi polusi udara? Okay, so one of the most simple things that we can do, we can use public transportation.
Transportation.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Nilsson.
Thank you.
We can use our public transportation. We can do walk. and also cycling, and also nowadays we can use electric vehicle, as we know that there's electric car and also electric motorbike. Yeah, it can reduce the air pollution. And then next, I will call Miss Endang. Hello, good evening, Miss Endang.
Good evening, Miss. Hello.
Hello, good evening, Miss Endang. Okay, Miss Endang,
Yeah.
so what is the things that you consider to be the most serious environmental issues?
Okay, thank you, Miss. I think the plastic pollution is the problem in the problem. Sorry, Miss. Wait. Can you
Okay,
hear me, Miss?
yes, I can hear you. You can try it slowly, okay?
Yeah, because because here is rain, so I can hear enough. Clearly. Okay,
Okay.
Miss.
Mhm.
Okay, I think the environmental problem in the world is plastic pollution because I live in a coastal area, so the environmental problem that I see and experience most is seeing a lot of garbage in the sea. So this problem is very dangerous for marine ecosystem. Besides that, ship engines often die because they are hit by garbage. Okay,
Okay.
Miss?
Okay, Miss Endang. So the main problem is about garbage.
Yes.
Rubbish. Uh,
Garbage in the sea. Garbage in the sea. So many like that, Miss.
okay, so the focus is the garbage, but in ocean, as we know, yeah,
Yeah.
that we found a lot of ton of plastic and also garbage in our ocean,
Yes.
and it forming large garbage and harming marine life.
Yes.
It's okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Endel.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, and then next I will call Miss Gav, Mr. Gav. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Miss.
Okay, good evening. Okay, so now for you, what is the most serious environmental issues nowadays?
For me, the most serious environmental issues in the world is global warming and dirty sea.
Global warming and also
Dirty sea.
dirty.
Sea.
Okay, maybe you can explain more about this two problem. Maybe you can explain more about the problem that you mentioned before.
Dirty sea can kill many fish and make sea is very dirty.
What is the things that can cause dirty sea? Or maybe we can tell it as ocean pollution. What do you think that can cause dirty sea or ocean pollution? Okay, Mr. Gov, can you please continue? Or is there any problem with the microphone? No? Okay, maybe you can respond me on meeting chat if there's a problem. Boleh direspon di meeting chat kalau misalnya ada masalah. Tidak ada? Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Gav. Okay, guys, so you can prepare yourself first. So what is the things that you will explain, okay? And if you do not know the English, I mean, if you only know the bahasa Indonesia, and you don't know the English, as I said before, you can use your online translation tools or your online dictionary tools, and then you can try it slowly to speak, to train your speaking skill here. Okay, and then next I will call Miss Vivi. Hello, Miss Vivi. Good evening.
Halo Miss, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Miss Vivi. Okay, Miss
Yeah.
Vivi, so what is the most serious environmental issues nowadays in the world?
In my opinion, impact on climate change, impact on climate change, is global warming, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events.
Okay, Miss.
Lebih ke global warmingnya sih.
Okay, Miss Vivi. So it is more about global warming. Maybe you can
Yes.
explain more what is global warming, and how can it is impact for our environment, and then what is the thing that can cause global warming and so on.
Maybe can I explain a solution first?
Solution. Okay, maybe you have a solution. You can
Okay.
explain to us now.
Maybe we can start from ourselves to reduce energy consumption, like turn off light, electronic, and tap when not in use, and then use energy with LED bulbs.
Okay.
And then we can use public transport or walk, cycle, like that.
Okay, yes. There's a lot of things that we can do to reduce the global warming. And then
Yeah.
maybe you can explain first, what is the global warming?
Global warming
Okay.
I don't know what to like
Actually,
like before.
Actually, I know that you try to find the problem, right? So you can mention global warming. So maybe you can explain a little about global warming.
Global warming refers to long-term rise in Earth karena udah
You can try to use English.
yes.
Yeah, so yeah, global warming actually is long-term heating of the Earth climate, and it caused climate change in
Yes,
our Earth, right? Okay,
right.
good. Thank you, Miss Fifi.
Thank you, Miss.
And then next, I will call Miss Alice. Hello, Miss Alice.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Hello.
Okay, hello. Sorry, Miss Alice, that I cannot hear your voice clear enough.
Hello. Do you hear me?
Can you please be louder and make the device close to you? Boleh lebih nyaring dan mungkin device-nya boleh
Halo.
dideketin lagi.
Halo. Halo. Do you
Yes,
hear me?
hello.
Hello.
Okay. Okay, Miss Alice, maybe you can try it slowly now.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, hello, I can hear you.
Okay. In my opinion, currently the most serious environment is deforestation and damage ecosystem. Because it can have an effect on other environmental problem, such as climate change and also depletion of natural resources. Many development process and change is land use cost to be cut down. That's effective human survival in the future.
Okay, yeah, so yes, deforestation or
Damage ecosystem.
damage ecosystem. Yeah, I mean deforestation. It can called as cutting down our forests. Yeah, it is the clearing and removal of the forest to make for other land uses, and it is a lot of urban in Indonesia, like as we know in Riau, Kalimantan, and also Sulawesi, right? And the things that can cause of deforestation actually is, yeah, one of the serious things. It is agriculture, because we want to make a new land for agriculture, so we do cutting our forests. And as Miss Alice said before, that it can damage our environment, and then it can cause any other problem beside the deforestation itself. For Miss Alice, okay, maybe you have a solution for this deforestation.
Maybe it's rehabilitation, rewilding, or reforestation. It is more attention and carry out without thinking about the future impact. We consider it before the development process take place or reduce unnecessary development.
Okay, yes. So one of them is reboisation, right, Miss Alice?
Yes.
And we have to think twice before we do cutting our forest for other uses. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Alice.
Thank you, Miss.
And then next we have Miss Noni. Hello, good evening, Miss Noni.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, Miss Noni. So, what is the thing that you consider to be the most serious environmental issues today?
I think fast fashion waste are the most serious environmental issues in the world today. Of the 100 billion clothes produced each year, 92 million tons end up in landfills. Today, many clothes are only worn 7 to 10 times before they are thrown away, a part of being a huge source of water pollution. Fast fashion also contributes to the large amount of water wasted every day. The worst, the worst aspect of the culture of throwing away clothes is the most of the clothes thrown away each year are not recycled. Clothing is a huge source of microplastics because many are now made from nylon or polyester, materials known to be durable and cheap. That's it, Miss.
So, it is fast fashion.
Fast fashion
Fast
waste.
fashion.
Yes, Miss.
Fast fashion waste. Yeah, it is the new problem, especially in Indonesia, right, Miss Noni?
Yes, right. That's right, Miss.
Because as we know that now we can find a lot of thrift store, yeah, right. Maybe for some of us it is good that we can buy the clothes cheaper, yeah, but actually our country being the land of waste from other country, for they throw the what is that, the fashion here, and then it can be the waste, as we know that it extensive production and consumption as fast fashion contribute to massive amount of textile waste. Right.
Yes.
Yeah, it is actually maybe good for others, but actually it is big problem. It is big waste for our environment. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Noni.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, it is not all people can deliver about waste patient because they don't think that it is a waste, but actually it's not good. Okay, the thrifting, it's not really good. Okay, and then next, Miss Anissa. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening, Miss Anissa.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, okay. Miss Anissa, so what is the things that you consider to being the most serious environmental issues?
Yeah, I think plastic pollution is the most serious environmental issues in the world today. Plastic is
Okay.
force xenobiotic compounds that are not produced by organism and consist of long and strong carbon change. That is making so difficult to decompose by microorganism. Today, I think everything use plastic, such as plastic bottle for mineral water, and everything is wrapped by plastic. And this is a so complex problem because improper handling of plastic can lead to other environmental problems. One of the most way to decrease plastic waste is burning that can cause the air pollution. Plastic waste is discarded carelessly that can make decreasing quality ground. Okay,
Okay,
Miss.
so yes, it is plastic pollution. It is the most common and also the most mentioned as most serious environmental issues, as we know that we cannot live without the plastic, especially in our country itself. We use plastic for all of the aspect of our life, like to wrapping and then to pick and so on. But Miss Anissa, may I know, is there anything that you already do to reduce the use of plastic?
Okay. Yes. I think we can reduce plastic with using plastic, biodegradable plastic, or you can bring a bag for buying something to the supermarket or the traditional market.
Biodegradable plastic and also bring our own bag for shopping. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Anissa.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, and then the last, Mr. Kevin. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Miss. Good evening.
Okay, Mr. Kevin, now it's time for you to deliver your answer about the most serious environmental issues.
One of the biggest environmental problems today is water air pollution. Data from the World Health Organization show that an estimated 4 to 7 million people die from air pollution worldwide every year, and that 9 out of 10 people breathe air that contains high level of pollutants.
Pollution, okay. But what kind of pollution that you mentioned before? Maybe can be more specific, as we know that there's a pollution, land pollution, plastic pollution, ocean pollution, and so on. Okay. Okay, so it's generally about pollution that can be happen in the world. Yes, as we know that there's a lot of pollution in this world, including the plastic pollution, air pollution, and ocean pollution, land pollution, and so on. Right, Mr. Kevin? Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Kevin. Okay, so Mr. Kevin being the last participant to deliver their answer or their opinion about the most serious environmental issues in the world today. So most of you guys answer plastic pollution as the most serious issues nowadays, and there's also ocean pollution, yeah, or dirty sea, yeah, it's kind of ocean pollution, and also deforestation, global warming, fast fashion, and so on. So there's a lot of serious environmental issues nowadays that happen in the world, and today it is our task to save our environment so the environment will save us too. Thank you for delivering your answer and your opinion, and thank you for coming to this speaking session, guys. Okay, see you and also have a good weekend. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.